Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be learning about triple quotes. So for example, this is what triple quotes look like. And to end the triple quotes, this is what, you just make 3 more single quotes to end them. So let me explain what they do. Triple quotes is just for note keeping. For example, if you don't have paper, you just pop them down and you can write whatever stuff you want in the triple quotes. For example, I can write print hello in the triple quotes, and the code just skips past it. Even if I run it, it won't print hello. But if I print hello out of the triple quotes, then it will print hello. So if I run this now, it should print hello once, not twice, because the second print hello is in triple quotes. So yeah, you can write whatever you want in triple quotes, any characters, anything, and the code will just skip over it. Triple quotes are useful if you don't for multiple lines instead of ghosting every single line. For example, at the top I give you an example of a ghosted line. When you put a hashtag in front of the line, it turns green. That's a special built-in Python. If I deleted the hashtag, this would just be a normal line, and when I run it would have an error because this is not a built-in function in Python. So if I put a hashtag in front of it and run it, nothing will happen. No error will appear because it's ghosted. Same for triple quotes, but you don't have to put a hashtag in front of any line. You can just write whatever you want to. So yeah, like I was saying, this is only useful if you have multiple lines so that you don't have to keep putting hashtags in front of your lines. So yeah, that's what a triple quote is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.